You're so fascinated with the donkey, Henny. With both of them. Just think it's funny. Okay, come on, Henny. Right here we got a 1950 3100. As you can see right here, the fender, well, she's rotted through. And then we're going to take a look at the hood right there. You see the rust holes all along. And the floors, well, they're not looking too good, but the dash looks alright. You got the gauge cluster right there looking okay, but those floors, they're out of there. So she's going to need a lot of work. But the cab overall looks alright. Just a little bit of rust around the rear window there. She's on the original frame. The frame didn't seem too bad, but definitely should be swapped, I feel. Put it on an S10 frame or something simple. Not a bad little project. He's not asking much for her, only 650 bucks. But yep. We got this Chevy Deluxe here. The Deluxe is a 4-door, and the body looks pretty good. The floors were solid. Inside looked all there. The whole dash looked nice. Looked really great. I wanted to show you guys this. This is the original air filter. You never really see these on these cars, you know. They're usually switched up or whatever, but this was the old air filter that went right there on the carburetor. Not a bad little deluxe. Unfortunately, it's a 4-door, but you know, some people are into that. Let's go check out this 3100. This one right here, I'm told that he had everything for it, but you know, they're all projects. This one, I think, you know, it'd be cool just to make into a rat rod. It's got a lot of vehicles here that they're all in parts and pieces that, you know, you can just put together and make yourself a little rat rod firewall, and this one's looking really well. This 3100, he said that the engine turns over, that she's not stalled or anything. Just another great project here that I think could be into a rat rod. Has a few extra parts here in the bed, or what's left of the bed. As you can see, he's got this dually right here. There's 2 tires right there in the grass, but it's on a dually frame. And then he's got some C60s in the back there. He's got 2 of them, but I was gonna have to jump a fence, and I really wasn't comfortable with doing that. So this is the best look you're gonna get at those 2 babies back there. Sorry. Right here we've got this Oldsmobile. Now, unfortunately, a lot of Mother Nature's getting inside of her, but I think with a good cleaning, she can she could be somewhat presentable. She's gonna take a little bit of elbow grease, but I don't think she's too far gone. Now this C60 right here, I believe is either 65, 66. But these are awesome when they turn them into haulers. This right here is a Plymouth 1948. This baby has definitely seen better days. Some people would love to just have that trim right there for their rides, I'm sure. Now we're taking a better, closer look at the inside, and bam! This Plymouth is rough. On this Chevy C10 right here, they actually chopped the top, put the bed right there on the cab. Not really my style, not really what I would have done, but not mine, so just here to show y'all what they did. This 3100 is awesome. Awesome! 3100 4x4. Yeah, most definitely awesome. Just look at it. And this baby actually runs and drives, so that's definitely a big plus. Let's check out the inside, and there you go, bam. Looking clean, looking clean, looking clean. Oh yeah, no rust, no cancer. Right here we've got a 1966 Chevy 20 twin fleet side. Was a long bed converted to a short bed. The inside looking beautiful. The window there, it's all good. This is a very nice looking truck. Didn't want much for it. 3800 runs and drives, understandable. Now we're gonna take it inside at the hood, take a little peek, a little gander there. Looking clean, looking good. It's a little dark, but you can see the brake booster right there. Looking good. This panel right here. This panel is looking awesome. Got the visor on it. Look at this. Look at this dash. Solid. And then he just redid the floors. Look at that. Craftsman. We got this handmade go-kart right here. Unfortunately, it couldn't run just because, well, at least she needed a little gas and there was no gas there. But even down to the pedals, handmade. This little baby goes about 50, 60 miles an hour. And she's got some slicks. Let's get a little better look right underneath there. And you can see right here, Craftsman all the way down to the bones. Looks real good. Now with the power this baby's got, you're definitely gonna need to be able to slow down. So on this little go-kart, they put disc brakes. Can get a little look at them right there, but they're there. Now I know a lot of people are into wagons now. This is a two-door Plymouth wagon right here. Original engine, transmission, solid. Got to take a little peek on the inside too, and everything was nice, good condition. No complaints from me on this one right here. Definitely a good starter project. Got another little Plymouth right here. Body looks good. Honestly, nice. Don't see any cancer anywhere. Just a good solid car. You can actually tell that this one was well taken care of. She needs glass, but no biggie. Inside looks good, all original. Now over here we've got a little treat, which was a split window. And this one comes with everything. Got the grill, it has its own engine, transmission. Then it's got those big old headlights. You'll be able to see the headlights right there. We've got the grill right here. This is a car with everything that just needs to be assembled. Hope she gets back on the road soon. She deserves it. Well, while we're out here looking and hunting, please make sure you share, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to us. And tell us down below what you guys think of some of these rides. Alright, we're gonna keep on hunting. Let's go, Henny.